let us go ahead with the charts. Actually, we are just um, stopped with the charting and all kind of stuff. Let me just complete or finish the charts and all kind of stuff, so that we can jump onto the project work in the QlikView. Okay. And also, if we wanted to discuss any sort of functions, I will discuss about the functions. Okay, respectively. So you can see the pie chart over here. Yeah, that's fine. No, I'm just talking about something like there was a Power BI opening, I think, with one of the MNC. Okay, I'm just asking you, are you in a planning of move? Something like that. So fine. So you can take a look at it. So can you hear me? Still you do have a problem. Okay, fine. So we can work on this kind of pie chart, and we have something called a waterfall chart. How to make the waterfall charting? So here, if you just go ahead, waterfall charting, just add a chart. You can see over here, there is no chart with a waterfall kind of stuff. Okay. You have a Meko and funnel chart, all this kind of stuff, but there is no direct waterfall chart over here. Okay. So here, I want to understand the waterfall chart based upon the sales. Okay. So now, let me just go ahead with the normal chart, which is nothing but new sheet object, which is going to be a normal chart. Okay, where I wanted to select a chart type is a bar chart. Okay, so once you select the bar chart, then go ahead with the next, and you can see a lot of things over here, out of which I just wanted to select the sales. Okay, but you see that it is clearly shown this is a dimension. Okay, where I don't want it to rely on. Okay, hence I just don't wanted to do this one, hence I just wanted to go to next. So in the next, I just wanted to make a sum of sales. Okay, and where here I just wanted to stop, just say okay, and the expression is I'm going to take as sales, and done. I'm going to add one more thing, which is going to be the profit. And also I just wanted to add more other fields that so if I just wanted to make all these things together in a one single chart, I can just go ahead and just finish. So I'm going to get something like this. Okay, so here you can see like there is a dashboard. Okay, I mean to say listened here, where you can always try changing the way that you are going to present this data. Properties, go to presentation. Okay, and you can see the show legend. I just wanted to delete this part and say apply. Just say okay first of all, and you have the data something like this. Okay, and now you have individual sales and the profit for all the stuff. Now I just wanted to go ahead with the expressions within the profits, and you could see sales, profit and the discount are three different things that we are relying on, out of which I wanted to go ahead and distribute this profit as a bar offset. Okay, okay, why? Because I just wanted to implement means a sales minus discount is equal to profit otherwise. Why? Because I don't have the exact cost here, but I wanted to calculate something like that in order to represent. Of course the calculation is wrong, okay, in general, but in the numerical format I just try to make a bar offset for sum of sales indication minus sum of discount. Understand? So by making this up, and you're going to say apply, and if you can take a look at this one, you can see the profit is thereby you are. Okay, understand? So here the discount whatever that we have given is already after discount the sales, that is what we are representing over here. I wanted to represent the same sort of bar offset even for the discount. How I can do the same sort of little bit same kind of formula, but not the same formula. Okay, rather I should say sum of sales minus sum of profit minus sum of now we can clearly see that this is the sales information, and then thereby the followed up profit and the discount is in the waterfall mode. Okay, Suresh, understand? So it is exactly starting at the end of this particular profit. So making three different verticals of sales, profit and discount with a kind of calculations, there might not be the valid calculations for this kind of representation. Why? Because you cannot always find out profit offset. Bar offset is going to sales minus profit will never become a profit, right? Why? Because if I'm going to disable this one, if I don't want this one to be done, so then it is going to have the profit style. If I'm going to remove this part, and if I'm going to apply this part, see, you have the profit somewhere here. Understand? So this is a general calculation where you can apply for the valid measures. Here the sales and profit is a different phenomena. Sales minus profit is going to be, sales is going to be the utmost revenue that you are going to get. Sales is the revenue, and profit, when you are deducting the profit, you will understand how much exact cost price that you have sold. Okay, right. So fine. Next one, let us try the candlestick or the box plot. In the so candlestick chart, before you're gonna do it, add a sheet object. Okay, something like a chart. Okay, and which chart you are going to select? Okay, you're going to select the bar chart, or you can check it, combo chart. And here you can always add the dimensions of the date, order date. Okay, and based upon the order date, I wanted to see the sales. Okay, just go next. Okay, and in the next you can try understanding this. We need to write a function, but we need to understand the sales data first of all. Okay, when we can apply this particular box plot. Okay, for example, I wanted to do this one. When I just wanted to do this one, if of sales sales is equal to, not equal to, greater than or equal to we don't have the respective data for this one to represent. And let us try. Why? Because we need to make few changes over here for the given style of expression. So this is the expression, right? We need to understand this background color definition. Why? Because we need to mention the top, middle, and upper whisker and the lower whisker for the entire given data. Okay, when you are going to depict the box plot, you need to mention the same kind of data, including the median. So the clear-cut sum of sales will never work over here. So hence we cannot implement directly forward ahead with this one. So rather than, we can always try giving some sort of calculations for the sales. Okay, the same sales. Okay, where you are going to select for each and every sales data, you are going to apply this particular box plot. Okay, so now let us try doing the same in our case of the business comparison. Even we can take the profit percentage also. Now apart from this part, let us go ahead with the new sheet object, and let me just go ahead adding a new chart, this chart, next one. So I wanted to add, where is the profit margin? This is a profit margin where I wanted to use it, make use of this one. So here, so I wanted to add this one for a sort of region, let me say. Okay, and then I want to edit the expression. Okay, so here I just wanted to edit the expression. So why? Because I just wanted to write the expression just something just like this equals 0. Okay, it's okay. That's it. We are done with some sort of stuff over here. Okay, here with this 0, you can see I will be unchecking this one or going ahead with the box plot. Okay, and now I want to say click finish, where even you can see that no data was displayed in the box plot. Here where we need to rely on the box plot stuff, where we have missed out with the section here. This is the top, bottom, middle, everything needs to be defined here. So I want to define, earlier I haven't defined anything else for the sales. Okay, even I can define the median and the fraction of the sales that we can apply, but rather using that part, let me just showcase for you the profit kind of style. Okay, so now, so I wanted to implement the expression for each and everything of here. Okay, with the respective formulae, otherwise you don't get the box plot over here. So here, what kind of stuff that we are going to implement over here? See, we have this one where I wanted to try understanding the max profit and the minimum profit. Okay, so we have a top, okay, where I wanted to change this one, fractile of fraction of profit underscore sales, no, not sales, 0.75. Okay, that's it. And next one, bottom I wanted to represent, bottom should be 0.25. Okay, and then middle you have to define, which is going to be 0.50, and upper whisker is going to be equal to max of profit underscore margin, where I haven't defined anyhow, underscore sales and all kind of stuff not required. Why? Because I haven't made those calculations independently in order to check it. So I wanted to just go ahead with the max of profit, and in the same way even here I wanted to go ahead with the minimum of profit. Okay, just apply. So you can see a box plot top level kind of stuff over here. Okay, so here see you are unable to do something over here. Why? Because what is that one? Upper and lower. So what you can do, you can add one more thing. Let me say add one more thing equal to 0. Let's say okay. And what I'm going to do, I am going to select this one as a not line box plot, okay, which is going to be max of profit. Not required actually, it seems it's going bad. Expression, this is quite fine looking so far. But the only thing that what I'm missing is I'm just missing the box over here. Okay, where this is a median which is a representation, I'm just missing this box, whatever the box which is going to cover the entire range, this particular range of these boxes that I'm missing, where I can get it as a percentage of the profit that I'm trying to use it here. So what I wanted to do, I can simply change. Why I'm getting this one? I don't want this one. I just want to delete this part. What is getting? No. Just want to delete this one. So here, upper whisker, lower whisker, I do have something profit underscore margins and all kind of stuff, right? So here, if I just want, I want something like this. Okay. So I wanted to configure upper whisker max of profit, but this is not what I want. But I want to delete this part. I never asking this one. This is they delete this expression. I'm not able to delete this one. Edit this expression at least, otherwise equal to 0. Let me just modify this one. Yeah, now you have it, right? I'm just going ahead with the symbol. Okay, and next I just wanted to use the same copy, add an expression. See, when you say apply so far, just give me a moment. Add equal to 0. First, the very first thing that you need to rely on, go ahead and select the, uncheck the bar and go ahead with the box plot, and thereby you are going to get a lot of things over here. So here the 0 equal to 0 needs to be changed. Okay, so here whenever that you are going to select this box plot, you are required to work on this particular different dimensions over here, that whatever. So first of all, let me remove even this part. New sheet object. chart. Next. Okay. Just go ahead with the region. Sum of not required. So equal to 0. Just wanted to select this box plot. And this is a symbol that you need to get. Okay. So here, right? Okay. Box plot top. It is not giving me all the stuff. Let me check. Region you need to select. Just next. So once we select the region, and then we can directly go ahead with 0 and just OK. This is quite fine where you can just switch to this box plot. Here you should be defining the definition. So actually, first I just wanted to select this one. I just want to say finish. So now you can get it. Right. This is where I'm just missing it till now so far. So now I just wanted to make an expression for each and everything. Expression of definition for given stuff. Fractile of profit, comma 0.75. Okay. And then point 0.25. 0.50. Max of profit. Minimum of profit. So this is a general box plot that you have got. But if you wanted to go ahead with the upper whisker and the max of profit kind of stuff, I'm going to add one more. So here, I'm just continuing with the max of profit and just say OK. I'm gonna select this one as a symbol, uncheck the line, fine, right? And in the same way, I'm just going to add max of minimum of profit, where I'm going to select the symbol instead of line. Let's apply it. So you can see the max and minimum of those profit regions. and the upper and the lower whiskers over here. Max profit, and we could clearly see the way that how exactly it is going to acquire the data. Okay, and if you wanted to implement for the upper whisker, what we are missing here is the dots. It is clearly showcasing the maximum profit and the minimum profit over here, but those are the added stuff. That is fine, but apart from that one, it has to show the upper whisker and the lower whisker, which is missing over here using the box plot. So here we are required to see some sort of editing over here. We will follow up with this one in the tomorrow session. Okay, Suresh, we will work on this one in the tomorrow session. We'll continue work on this one in the tomorrow session. It has to show the box. Okay. Why? Because we have given all the valid formulae. Okay, it has to display the box plot for us. Anyhow, I will just take a cross check with this one, and we will meet again tomorrow. See you.